outside. Oh yeah, I'll take my jacket off. It's hot now. Can you take it? Oh, she's my session. I'm going this way. You can't go. Made it. Grandma, I got on a different walk. I'm the princess. I'm the princess.
You're not a princess.
I'm the princess. What? How come we're going up early? I want to do that one too. What is that way?
Oh. There was something in the... I heard something rustling. Well, right now I'm at a nature park. I've been here for a while. What? Okay. I've been here for a while, but I've been taking a lot of pictures because it's just a very pretty day. I'm sick, so I don't sound as nice. But yeah, it's a very nice day to be here. Been here for like, what? I don't even know. 30 minutes. Took a lot of nice pictures. Sorry I haven't made... Look at this bench. I haven't made a video in a while because I've been real sick. I lost my voice for a long time. It's still not all the way here, but it's getting there. It's just pretty. That would have been a pretty picture, but I just took a picture. I'm taking a video. That's just how amazing I am. Didn't know I could do that till now. Little stump. You want to see me? Okay, I look kind of bad, but it's okay. I've been just not doing anything for the past, how long has it been? Like 3 weeks? Even more than that. And I don't know. I'm still trying to get all my voice back. It's so pretty today and it feels amazing. Still trying to see if we can find like any animals, like prairie dogs or I don't know. Ooh, the wind's coming. Wait for it. I can see it. I think I made it as a fun video. It's more like a vlog in a way, I guess. But I can't sing because there's like people around and they'll think I'm weird. Plus my voice. I can't even sing high because my voice is gone. But you won't.
Since you says come up here, we can't go over there to the big lake.
What big lake?
There's a big water over there we can go over.
This is my YouTube video. It's kind of a vlog, I guess.
Vlogging.
Vlogging.
Vlog.
Yes. Alright. People are littering.
Yep. The littering condom.
That is.
Best place to do it.
I hope Mother sees this and heard you hear that.
That's it. Driver license, keys, a lot of stuff. So, this is what you do?
Yeah. I made a video in a while, so I thought, why not? Why not here at a beautiful nature park?
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
It's beautiful. It's an Xbox.
Okay, are we gonna go that way?
No, we're going up the water.
Well, I think there's only one way to go, really.
This way.
You say you really can't go that way.
I want to go.
Let's go. Going on a trip and on this trail. It's getting hot. 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 Cause
You're the worst vlogger.
here's how they vlog.
Wait, we got 3.
You are so rude. You're supposed to be just here to help.
Go like 2 to that. Water pit. No, we ain't going over there.
Which way?
That way.
Maybe I said at 12 to noon or 12 to 4.
It's such a beautiful day. Going out, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya. People are gonna be seeing this and they gonna see how annoying y'all are if you not shut up.
You're touching my handle.
It's just so pretty. It's just...
No, I would be after it.
No, you would not. I don't think it's even 2 yet. If you're wondering, I'm not in school because I'm on fall break, which I go back to school tomorrow, which sucks, but it's life. For you, I'm in freaking geometry, and geometry sucks bad.
I'm doing somewhat algebra. Like I have to find my x's.
Oh, I hate. Actually, I'd rather do algebra than geometry. It's getting hot.
I know. Take a freaking jacket off then.
I'm wearing a tank top, bro.
Okay.
I don't know if I want people seeing me.
Pull your sleeves up.
I can't, it's too tight. Watch, try. See? Too tight. Can you not? It looks like you're freaking jerking off my arm. Oh, you see that? Oh, look at the squirrel.
Hey, squirrel.
Oh, that's a squirrel. It's like you better get away from me.
Hey, Grandma. Bobcat. There's bobcats here?
Did you just say bobcats?
No, there's something you could see here, but
What
they
is
talk about different animals. Don't go down in there, Zachary.
Can I kill you?
Bobcat can. It's a wild cat.
Yeah. Yeet. Clear blue sky. The sun is shining bright. Along my little bench. Tall weeds and grass and trees. Oh, I think I just saw a bunny. Was that a chipmunk? I don't know, it just popped along. I don't know if y'all saw that or not. Went in there. But it's okay. Slushies. I want slushies.
Oh my god, last time
We're
I
gonna
got
go to
cherries,
Sonic.
I got 2 cherries.
We're cool.
Cherries are awesome.
Yes. No, well, they're okay.
Do better vlogging.
Bro, we're on freaking nature park. What else do you want me to freaking do?
Kill a bear.
Can you just shut up? Seriously, you're getting on my last nerves.
Find a bear.
Shut up. Just shut up. Shut up.
Shut up. Sorry, right off the phone.
Fox says when you're the best of friends.
We saw a possum and the old man's trash can.
What?
The old black man speak of that lives deep down the heart.
Oh, yeah. What about him?
Remember we saw a possum in that trash can?
Oh yeah. We were at some person's house that we do not speak of.
Yes, we do not speak of him.
And there we were outside, and there was a possum in his trash can, and it was hissing, and it was not funny. I was just like,
And our dad
people think they're cute, and they're not cute. They are creepy looking. He was big and scary. Like, I did not like it.
Let's sit.
Oh, look at this Lucy. Oh my god, so cute. I would not like to be here at night.
No.
Oh,
We're
God.
going to a couple minutes. I need to sit down.
It's nice here.
They got some nice little areas. They filled it up a lot since the first time I came. First time they didn't have all
First
this
time.
stuff.
What was that building
Well,
for?
the grandpa and I used to come a lot. Or not a lot. We used to come sometimes. It was because it was free. It's free.
Hey, what was that building for?
What building?
The building we passed when we were walking in.
Oh, that's called the visitor center. There's a few displays in there. There's a bath.
I finally took my sweater off because it was getting hot. I was like, okay, you know what? I don't even care. It's hot. I'm taking my hoodie off. Feels better. Look. The leaves are turning orange and just yellow and pretty colors. Gotta love the fall. What? Yep. I got something in my shoe.
Yeah, I'm going back there.
Bridge, there isn't even a bridge. Why is it saying bridge closed? Ugh. You know how tiring this is for me because I don't work out? I have not climbed this much. Since I was like 11 or 10 where I had to hike up a mountain. I almost died. There's like a random tree in the middle of the trail. Hello. Ooh. Pretty beans. I'm just kidding.
Wait for Grandma. Tired. Got asthma.
You do not have asthma.
I do.
No, you don't.
I still
You
do.
used to.
I still do.
No, you don't. Zachary, your scalp is still red from your whatever it was.
Color war.
Color war, yeah. Oh. I think we're almost done.
PewDiePie has better vlogs.
Can you stop? I'm serious. Stop.
Okay.
Boom. Boom. Trash. Yeah, walk forward before you hit a tree.
Your quad hit a tree.
We're almost there.
The stairs, one stairs again.
Yes. I don't think you've ever seen my sisters. You've heard them, you haven't seen them. They're twins, if you haven't noticed. There's one.
I know it's Bobcat.
And then,
It's just another Bobcat picture.
wait for it.
We already know they're here.
Wait
It's another
for it.
Bobcat picture. It's just another Bobcat picture.
Actually, that's an owl.
There's owls here. At night.
Yeah. And these
know.
weird steps.
To the beginning.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh my gosh.
Right there. We're going
And
to
you're
the
the
stairs.
best of friends.
Which one?
Oh Lord. I'm so tired. Look at this long bridge. Nasty water. Y'all don't understand. I should have worn shorts. It's hot.
It feels like fall.
Dang. These are famous.
So which one's the way back?
I don't know. It's fine.
Is this the way back?
I gotta sneeze. Thank you. Ah, thank you. Oh. Forget. I'm sweaty. Can't tell. But I'm sweaty.
That's what Sarah's going to dig up and take to the house is some beauty berries.
Oh my god. This little boy just like ran up to me and almost hugged me. That was so cute. Someone wrote the dang alphabet on that. Walk.
ABCs.
Walk. Frickin' A, frickin' B, frickin' C, frickin' D, frickin' E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and frickin' Z. Oh my god.
Hey, I can spell my name in Spanish. Zeta, A, wait. C, J, A, R, I, A, S.
Good for you.
Where are we gonna?
Okay.
That's for that. This is the water. It's not
Oh gosh. Trash.
there's a playground.
Should have brought some water. I wasn't thinking. I didn't know it was gonna be this hard. I thought we were just gonna walk. Walking is tiring apparently. Duckies. Look at the duckies.
You do that?
Nah. No. We're going home. I don't know where to go. We made it. Oh Lord Jesus, we made it. Whew. Whew.
Okay, look at
Parking lot. Next up, Sonic. Check out some slushies. We gotta find the car. I think I see it. Oh, Jesus, take the wheel. A bug just hit me in my arm. That hurt. I think I see it. Well, that's it. No, it's not.
yeah, but now that is not color.
There it is. Oh, thank God. Oh, thank God. Oh. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of me at a nature park. Tired. I'm ready to go. Any last words?
No.
Okay.
Alright. So.
Hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe.
That was a long walk.
And I'll do this whenever I can.
Oops.